Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
What's for tea?
Spaghetti Bolognaise. Huh?
You show us how to make it.
Oh, well, yeah.
All right, let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
So, tell me what we've got going on over here.
That needs to be,
Close that, yes. What's going on over here?
this is some mushrooms
Uh-huh.
cooking away in butter.
Ooh, butter.
Butter.
Okay.
Not a high heat. They're just simmering away because
That's
we're
what
doing
they
other
do.
things at the moment, so
Okay.
we don't want everything, cooking too fast.
Fair enough. Fair
So we're
enough.
preparing some celery.
Okay. And how are you preparing? Wait, did you just say celery?
Celery.
And Bolognaise?
Well,
Is that the secret ingredient?
no,
No.
just thought I'd give it a go.
I like it. I do.
Well, we've had celery kicking around in the fridge for about 8 months, so.
Sure.
Oh, it's stinking. Huh.
Be perfect there.
Don't eat that. You'd be having lettuce belly.
Oh, no.
Oof.
We don't want that.
No.
We don't want that at all.
So what we do, we run it all under the tap.
Okay.
And that instantaneously sanitizes it,
Okay, yeah.
Oh, these little bugs and jump off. There they get little bugs. Go on. They're all gone.
Everyone will have to bear with us because we have some new technical equipment. Look at this. Wow. Now I can actually help and everything.
Okay, so what we do,
Yeah.
probably got a lot of celery here actually. Yeah. Push it down through your celery stabber,
Okay.
like that,
Oh, look at you.
and then pull it through, like that.
That's a brilliant idea.
Yeah, I know.
Where'd you come up with that one? Go. Uh-huh.
Put all these airy bits in it. I want that. If you don't want celery, you can leave it out. But
I'm just trying to adjust you because it looks like it's very fuzzy on you. And also not turned
look
on.
at these here.
How's that then?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Right. That's that.
Okay.
Now, that's a job that's got to be done there now.
What's that?
We'll throw all those bits away.
Okay, I can
Those
do that.
airy-
I can do the thrower away.
Yeah. That's all that'll go. Don't really want that. Right, now that's been. That was a dog.
That was the dog.
Right, okay.
Yep.
Got an onion there.
Mm-hmm.
Just waiting.
Waiting.
Get your knife.
Uh-huh.
Chop it into like, half-inch, quarter-inch pieces. So what we are trying to avoid is making a very floaty bolognese. It should be, you know, a nice consistency. So you're going to be careful with the liquids. That's the bolognese thingy, but like I said, you don't really need it. Right. Mushrooms is mushrooming. In a minute. We're going to put a bit of the old white wine in there. A bit of Chardonnay. Huh?
In with the mushrooms.
Yeah, don't be afraid about burning them. You know, I mean, you don't want to burn them, but if they get a bit, you know, hot, cool them down with a bit of wine. It's the word is I'm trying to think of the word.
Deglaze.
No, not sorbets them. It's not sorbet.
Deglaze.
Huh?
Deglaze.
No.
No?
No. What's the word? What's the word? Yeah, no, you do the mushrooms, didn't you? With the, oh, I can't think of the word.
Mandy.
No.
Oh. Sauce to help.
Yeah, saute.
Saute. There you go. Juicy garlic.
Right, I'm ready to saute the mushrooms. There you go. Right, put about, oh, smell that. Oh, it's chucking up like a zookeeper's boot. Right, ready?
Yep.
Oh,
Oi.
oh, I do good.
Smell that wine.
Huh?
Smell the wine.
Yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna take them off the pot now, leave the ring going. Now we've got the saucepan on, turn the element back down, bit of oil, bit of the old olive oil, couple plugs, and what we're going to do, I think first of all we'll do the bacon. Okay?
Okay.
Here's the bacon. Right, here's the bacon. That one needs a spray in. And what we could do is we could chuck in the celery with that.
Okay. Don't forget your garlic.
No. That's that. Oh, that sizzle around in there. Have you got a picture of it? Do you want to grate me a couple of those little carrots? So,
Yep.
right, put it over there, but I'll move this down here. Oh. Where's the garlic?
Right there.
Right, okay. Mushrooms is cooling down. And I'm just gonna put got the Worcestershire sauce.
Would you like
4 or 5.
4 or 5.
Worcestershire sauce, and we'll put a spoonful of that on the mushrooms while it's cooling down with the garlic. 2 spoonfuls, so. But don't put too much. That's it then. And that's just cooling down with the mushrooms. Because in a minute we're going to chuck it all in together. So it's just doing what it's doing. Okay, we're just releasing the beef. Not putting it in yet. Just
What do the carrots do? Add sweetness?
well, it just adds to the flavour. You know, the thing is that sometimes tin tomatoes and that they make it very bitter, acidy, you know? Hence the addition of a little bit of maple syrup, because at the end you've got to taste it. And if you think it's a little bit acidy, then you spoonful at a time of the old maple syrup, you know?
And that cuts the acidity
Yeah.
of the tomato.
Well, I think so. And the old tomato puree could be a little bit on that side as well, you know. But it's how your palate sort of deals with it. It's, you know, me, I don't like it if it's a syrup, you know. I'd rather have things teetering towards sweetness, you know?
Fair.
Right, I'm going to put these onions in now. Onions in. So that was about 5 minutes with the bacon and celery. It's still in there and it's still cooking away. You
So
know?
you're not taking out anything you've done, you're just adding in different
Yeah.
flavors.
And it's only on just over half the cooker. You don't want raging, you know, heat or nothing like that, you know what I mean? If you just let that go, I mean, that can go like 5 or 10 minutes. We'll put a bit of black pepper on there. Oh, I'm just me trying to take the invisible lid off. Bit of black pepper. And a bit of the old salt. Put a bit of the old salt in there. Give it a nice bit of salt for flavour.
Carrots.
Carrots, that's good. Right. What we're going to do is get this stuff here. We're going to just cut it up into small pieces. Because hopefully it will just mingle in with the liquid.
Show the camera.
Chopped up. Good God. Right, okay. Got the lid?
Oh, yep.
Do you want to pause that for a while?
Yeah, we can. What happens now?
Huh?
Now it just simmers?
I'm just giving that a stir. Actually, give us that old thing there. That can go in. It start softening that up. Yeah, here. Alright. Just give that a stir around. It will disappear. So you've got bacon, onion, celery, and a stock sheet, and a little bit of olive oil in there. Again, it doesn't really matter whether you use, you can use butter if you want, or the ordinary vegetable oil. Just leave that on there, and we'll give that 5 minutes. We're going to add the carrots to this. Just before it's all starting to come together now. We can add our tomato puree as well. I'll tell you what.
What's that?
Might be worth cutting. I'm going to cut the corner off this bag and squirt it with.
Is it melted down enough
Right.
to do that?
That's our 30 seconds up. Yeah. So, mushrooms and all the, look at the juice in it there. Right, that's everything out of there. That's that. Get that one up there, get that back on there again. Because now have you got a pair of scissors?
One pair of scissors.
Cut the corner off that. Tomato puree going in. I mean, that's probably the best part of one of those little tins. And that one there. That can just go in there like that. Don't forget there's pans on the heat here. Right,
Okay.
it's warming up.
Okay.
Mum? Right. We ready to add our beef?
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Something like that is there. Okay. If you want, we can just give that a bit of a stir around.
Smells really good.
Is it?
Yeah, I can smell it already.
Right. Well. That's all in there. Right, beef. Here we go. 300 grams in there, and 250 grams in there.
So ideally you'd want somewhere around 500 grams of beef.
Yeah. Depends on how many people you want to serve.
Right.
Bit of salt, just a bit of salt. That's it. turn that elephant on. Right, here we go. Oof. There we go. That's the end of that pan. Now, stir it around. Turn the sound down a bit. Now, that's going to have to go in there for about, I would say, 20 minutes.
Okay.
We're gonna low heat, just so it's still bubbling, just simmering on a low heat. You want it to go over the top, so I'm going to go down to about 2, because that should still be hot enough to be simmering away here. Let's see if we can see it simmer. I think I need to have a little taste. Yeah, okay. Now's the time. In the spoon. Right, now you've got your maple syrup. Okay? Spoonful at a time. 1 spoonful. Stir it around. Probably need 2 or 3 of these to bring it down to how I like it. I mean, you know, everybody's different. But I just think it's a little bit acidy at the moment, acidic. So we have another little taste. So another one of them. So, now, oh yeah, now we're getting there. Just 2 spoonfuls makes a difference, believe it or not.
In that huge pot.
I'm going to go with that. I'm going to try, do about 20 minutes. Turn the heat down, about 1.5. Kitchen timer, 20 minutes. Come back. And meanwhile, you got your kettle ready, boil for the spaghetti. Spaghetti stuff we buy cooks in like 15 minutes, something like that. And so you're about 35 minutes away from a meal.
Perfect. We will come back.
Oh, there it is. You want to have a look in there, Mum? Give it a good stir after it's taste on. See what you think, Mum. Huh? Don't need no tomato sauce?
That's good.
You alright with that?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, I think so. Bolognese. Oh, now, you might be wondering, we never used any bell peppers. Now, the main reason for that, I could tell you, was that there was bell peppers in that jar of bolognese sauce, but it's not. I forgot. So, there, I'm honest. You know, honest as a day is long. Put a bit of nice cheddar cheese on top.
And what kind of cheese is that?
Oh, this is southwest of England. This cheese comes from
Southwest of England.
southwest of England.
Did you go all the way to the southwest of
certainly
England
did.
to get that cheese?
You would not believe the trouble I had. You know, but still, we've done it. So, you know, we forgot the bell peppers. Don't matter. It's bolognese. It doesn't matter. There it is. Bit of salt. Bit of salt. You know. You don't want to put too much on. Bit of pepper. Little bit of pepper. And there you go. You got mouth-watering spaghetti bolognese. There's loads left in the pot there. So if you could feed, you know, 4 people. Or, you know, 5. It's certainly one of my favourites, isn't it?
So give it a taste and tell us
Yeah.
how it is.
Spaghetti's done. Nice.
Nice. And how's the
And
sauce?
The sauce. Cheese on top of it adds, you know, adds flavour. It's very flavoursome.
Good.
It's just right.
Good.